So now I will perform time division multiplexing using this kit. So I will show you how time division multiplexing signals goes, uh, how time division multiplexing is performed. So in this experiment we have to select 1550 nanometer laser source, and it goes to detector. So from the list, experiment list, I will select time division multiplexing. Okay, so this is section, this is in this this is asking for the streams which will be allotted uh, allotted a time slot, and it will use the whole bandwidth. For a time this stream will use whole the bandwidth, and for another time the stream 2 will use the whole bandwidth. So this is will be divided in the time domain, and that will be multiplexed from stream 1 2 3, then again in next cycle stream 1 2 3, stream 1 to 3. So in such manner it will be multiplexed and it will be sent. So suppose that I am taking a stream. You can give a stream. There is a keyboard connected in this kit. So for stream 1 I will give, suppose that I am giving A. Okay, for stream 2 I am giving BB. For stream C I am giving C, and I am leaving the whole leaving the rest of the bits. So suppose that for stream C I have given no signals, but it will be allotted a time slot. Either you give or not, it will be allotted a time slot. So it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Let's see what happens. So I am selecting 2.4 megahertz signal frequency and laser power full. So let's start. So just observe the pattern. So for it takes stream 1, then it goes to stream 2, it takes B, and then it goes to stream 3 and takes C, and then it takes 0. There's nothing, so it takes empty space. So see this pattern: ABC and then nothing, ABC and nothing, ABC and nothing, ABC, and then again the C is only for 4 times. Okay, so in next cycle it will be AB and then empty. So it is AB dash dash, AB dash dash, then again B also is over. But these whole 4 streams will be allotted every time. It will be allotted every time, either you give streams or not. The commutator like this, circulate like this. So it takes stream 1, stream 2, stream 3, stream 4, stream 1, stream 2, stream 3, stream 4. So it circulates like this. That is called commutator. So I have left with only A, and there is nothing here. So A. So if you have given multiple A's, multiple B's, so it will go on. So this is time division multiplexing. For one at a time, the whole bandwidth is allotted to stream 1, then stream 2, then stream 3, then stream 4, stream 1, stream 2, stream 3, stream 4. So in this manner, time division multiplexing works.